Why is low clock jitter essential for audio DAC accuracy? Imagine listening to your favorite song and hearing every note crystal clear, with no annoying pops or hisses. That perfect sound depends on many tiny details, especially in digital to analog conversion. In digital electronics, the clock signal is like a metronome that keeps everything in sync. It tells the converter when to turn digital data into an analog voltage. If this clock isn't steady, the timing of each conversion can shift slightly. This small timing variation is called clock jitter. When the clock edges fluctuate, the digital samples are not converted at exactly the right moments. Even tiny timing errors can cause the reconstructed analog waveform to distort. This distortion appears as noise or unwanted artifacts in the sound. It can make music sound less clear and reduce the overall listening experience. The reason low clock jitter is so important is because it directly affects the accuracy of the conversion process. If the clock is unstable, the digital samples are not processed uniformly. This irregularity causes phase noise, which can make the sound seem fuzzy or less precise. It also introduces amplitude errors, which affect the volume and clarity of the audio signal. In high-resolution audio systems, where even small details matter, jitter can significantly degrade sound quality. The internal circuits of the DAC relying on a stable clock to sample the digital data at exact intervals. When jitter increases, the errors accumulate, leading to a loss of fidelity. To keep jitter low, engineers use high-quality clock oscillators that produce very stable signals. They also design the circuit carefully, with proper layout and shielding, to prevent noise from interfering with the clock. Additional circuitry like phase-locked loops and jitter-reduction circuits help clean the clock signal further. Proper termination and shielding of clock lines prevent electromagnetic interference and signal reflections that can cause jitter. All these measures help ensure that each digital sample is converted into an accurate analog signal at the right moment. So, in simple terms, low clock jitter keeps the timing precise. This precision ensures the digital samples are turned into smooth, accurate sound waves. When jitter is minimized, the music sounds clearer, more natural, and free of distracting noise or artifacts. That's why controlling clock jitter is a key part of making high-quality audio DACs that deliver the best listening experience.